Stop. Acts like a root. Okay, go ahead.
Hey kids, look what I'm doing.
Whoa! Whoa!
Now we're really breaking through now, guys.
Bye-bye, window.
Bye-bye.
Oh, I can't drop this wheel. It'll hate me.
Yeah.
You told me to be careful.
And some pizza.
Yay! Oh, what is that out?
Patch. Say hi. What are you doing, Patch? Are you helping? No. You know those pipes are right behind it.
We have entrance.
Yay! Patch, look! Okay.
You want to knock the wall down with Daddy? Come on, let's knock the wall down. Push it. Come on, you push it with Daddy. Help Daddy.
Can I help?
Yeah, Kelly's going to help. Pat's going to help.
I need my slipper.
Yes, you do.
Hurry up. Pat, you going to help Daddy? Come on, help Daddy. Come on. What, you going to help me? You're my helper, aren't you?
Oh, you got your gloves on, right?
Say hi, Mommy. Whose gloves are they?
Mine.
Have you been helping Daddy all day long?
Yeah.
Yet. Here comes Kelly. Here comes Kelly. Should we get Michael?
Yeah.
Hurry up. You can stop that.
You got something on your feet, Mike?
Yes, he does. Has his slippers. Ready, guys?
Yeah. I'm gonna push from here.
All right, ready? Now watch. This wall here. Let's push it. Let's knock this wall out.
What are you
Here,
doing?
Patch.
No, go ahead,
Come
you
on,
do
help,
it.
Patch.
Go
Help,
ahead.
come on. Oh, we need Patchy.
Mommy's taking a picture. Go
Patch, you
ahead.
gonna help Daddy? Oh, Patch, you're my helper. Come on.
Go ahead. Mommy's watching.
Here we go.
Now.
2. Uh-oh. Watch it. And